Imagine convincing some of the smartest investors in the world to hand you billions of dollars, while never making a single real profit. For decades, Wall Street believed he was a financial genius. But behind the scenes, it was all one massive illusion. This is the story of the man who fooled Wall Street. Bernie Madoff wasn't just another investor. He was respected by banks, trusted by celebrities, and even served as chairman of the Nasdaq stock market. His investment firm promised something almost impossible: steady profits, year after year, no matter what the market was doing. People believed he had discovered a secret formula for beating Wall Street. Instead of asking questions, investors kept pouring in more money. But there was one problem. The profits weren't real. Madoff wasn't investing the money at all. He was simply using money from new investors to pay older ones, a classic Ponzi scheme. As long as new money kept flowing in, the illusion stayed alive. For years, warning signs were ignored. Even financial experts failed to uncover the truth. Then came the 2008 financial crisis. Investors rushed to withdraw billions of dollars, and the entire scheme collapsed overnight. The fraud totaled nearly $65 billion, making it one of the largest financial scams in history. Thousands of people lost their life savings. Charities were destroyed. Families were left with nothing. Bernie Madoff didn't just fool Wall Street. He fooled the entire world. And his story remains a reminder that if an investment seems too perfect to be true, it probably is.